Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect a printer to Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do that, first we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to go to connections, and then in the connections go to more connection settings, and over here choose printing. Here we need to enable the default printing service, and we can tap on the text in order to start searching for printers. Now of course some printers might not be detected over here, so if your printer is not visible over here, if your Samsung cannot find it, then we need to go back, and then we need to download a plugin that will be corresponding to the type of printer that you use. So for instance, if you use, let's say, a Canon printer, then you need to tap over here, and then you need to download the plugin from Google Play Store. Once you install it and open it, you need to simply follow the instructions that will be displayed on your screen. Keep in mind that of course different printers have different plugins, and different plugins have different instructions. Therefore you should simply just follow whatever it is being displayed in order to set up the printer on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.